Guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Didi, and if you've been here for a while, welcome back, my bestie, my day one. Anyways, from yesterday I've been having problems with my car, right? Firstly, I got a puncture, like a flat tire. All right, sharp. So I called my brother and he came and did the things because I felt like, okay, why call insurance if there's like, my brother? Because now we don't have a means. So if we had that, then things would be good. But I have a brother who loves me. Cool. Call him, pulls through, he changed the tire, and then it's cool. Sharp. He put on my spare wheel. Now, in the morning when I was going to work, it's showing a sign. It's ABS. So when I searched online, it is the automatic brake service, something like that. But what it basically means is that my car cannot automatically brake, meaning if I'm in a sliding, I don't know why I'm explaining as if I'm explaining to somebody who doesn't understand, but you get the point. If you are like me and you are lost, this is for us, okay? This is for us. So yeah, so currently I'm waiting for him to come and check it out. If after he has removed this thing, like the spare wheel to put on my new wheel, it means that I'm gonna have to go to Volkswagen. I'm gonna go to Volkswagen so that they can remove this thing. I cannot go with a car that's not roadworthy. Anyways, I'm venting, but this is how I looked for the day. Very cute, very demure.
Why got me looking at my watch every minute? Yeah, because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently 9:30, and I've been at traffic department ever since morning, like ever since in the morning, because they don't have electricity. So now I've come to the mall because I'm very hungry, firstly. Secondly, I've been craving donuts like crazy. So my plan is to get myself something to eat, some donuts, and then from there I'm gonna go back to check again.
All I want you to do is get on top of me, because I'm all up on you. All up on you. I've been thinking a lot, yeah.
Okay, hi.
I've been thinking about
this
what made
donuts.
most sleep. Yeah. Want you to come on over, even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep while I'm dreaming, you come behind me, revive me while I am contemplating.
Okay, guys. Everything. What's your next piece? Let's go. But what time am I gonna take you? Everything, guys. Yes. Thank you. Coffee time, mola. Kulu ye kana ibota. Bye. There's so many flies in my office and I hate it. Anyways, I'm doing my makeup because I'm face beating because I think I told you guys we're going out with my friend / colleague. So I'm done making. It's a day to celebrate. This is the day that the Lord has made. You understand what I'm saying? I want to give a testimony, right, of what happened. Please, if you see flies, just ignore them. As I was saying, something happened to me on Tuesday. So I come from work, normally just from work. When I leave from work, I'm going to church, right? Sharp. I'm going to church. We have a Bible study. Okay, cool. I go to the Bible study and then I find 2 people already at church. I find 2 people at church. So when I arrive, they're like, girl, when you entered the gate, right, we thought that you were with somebody. And I'm like, somebody? Make it make sense. How am I with somebody? And during the day, I was meditating like on the scripture that says, be strong and courageous. Do not be discouraged. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Okay, cool. So, please don't mind that I'm using the same brush almost everywhere on my face, right? Focus on the story. Okay, cool. As I enter, they like, hey, girl, we saw you entering with somebody. Like, there was somebody on the passenger seat. We are very much surprised. When you get here, there's no one. And they like, it truly shows that you are with your guardian angel. So I don't really believe in guardian angels. Like, in a way, I don't know. I know that I have an angel that is always with me, but with encounters like that, I feel like it's Jesus himself. Okay? And for the fact that it was confirmed by 2 people, I was like, you know what? I was meditating on the scripture and God showed up. He showed up. God was like, my child, you are too worried. You are too afraid.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long say you call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the...
This is the finished product. Hey mama. This is the final product. We're done and ready to roll. Boo. I'm gonna change my earrings. You guys are gonna see, but my hair is pretty much staying like this because why not, child? So I look good. So this is my first option. Is this with a bodysuit, but then my belly is not making me really proud. Let's try the second option. So this is my second option. Love it for the slit. It's giving. But then it's too tight because it's a medium. So we're going to look for large. And then I think I'm gonna have to buy like a bra as well because the one I'm wearing is not giving. Prince Pakam, Kaki limited edition door. This is the look I'm going for today. Period. This it's too long. But it's fine, I'm gonna be wearing heels, so let's get out of here. By the way, I already paid. We just arrived to the location. So now We're about to go, but we're still waiting for another friend of ours. And then we're gonna devour. So, when I went to buy flowers, I bought some pina colada. Mother, please take your flowers. Oh, Skalita, I have to hand them over to you. I have to hand them over. So anyways, this is my friend. This is my friend. This is my birthday friend, right? Tell me she's not cute. She's the cutest. I know. And the first beat was me.
This one I better do. Me, I no get time. Cover my face, calling me now. Big man, big all the better. They get them right the way. I know we die for nothing. What's the gun? G-Wagon, all the better. They get them right the way. I know we die for nothing. Make you do say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and be myself. So anything when you do, I dey try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. The ocean, cold and paddling. Jarashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen.
So yeah, guys. We just got done. We just got done. I'm about to go home. I'm looking for my flat shoes so that I can drive because I can drive in heels. So I know very well that the vibe is not giving. But get on, we just got done and it's 9:30 currently. I'm about to go. I've never driven this time of the night, not to mention that there's I think it's a matric dance going on. So now there's traffic and there's kids, but it's all cool. By the grace of God, I'm gonna make it home, and then you guys will see me when you see me. Bye.